Hi everyone, in this video I am going to cover question number 3 and 4. And here is the question number 3, simplifying that first question. See here, 8 raised to the power 4 by 3 we can write. So here 2 we can write 2 raised to the power 3. And on that it is having power, that is 4 by 3, okay. Plus 5 we can write 5 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Now here 1 I can write 1 raised to the power 3. After multiplying 3 times still we will get 1, and meanwhile 27 we can write 3 raised to the power 3. Now put a bracket and that power raised to the power 2 minus 2 by 3. Now see here 3 get cancels, what left? Only 2 raised to the power 4, plus here 2 get cancels, what left? 5 raised to the power 3. And see here both powers are same, let me take a common, so what left? Base as a 1 by 3 and power comes 3 common, no? Same, and I have taken common. Now minus 2 by 3 and 3 get cancels. See here 2 I have to multiply 4 times, and after multiplying I'll get 16, and here it is 125 I'll get, minus, see here what left here? 1 by 3 and raised to the power minus 2. So power we are having negative sign, so we will do the reciprocal of that. So after doing reciprocal I'll get 3 raised to the power 2 plus 2, okay. After doing reciprocal, from minus 2 it has converted to plus 2. Now 16 plus 125 we need to add. After addition I'll get 141, and this is 3 3s are 9. So now after subtraction I'll get the answer, that is 132, okay. Now question number 2 from the same main. See here 64 it is having 2 powers. So for this what we can apply? We can apply the powers law. So in the powers law we will multiply the powers. So after multiplying powers, what I'll get here? Minus 2 into minus 3. Minus it will become plus, and 2 3s are 6. Okay. So here I found 64 raised to the power 6. Now division sign let me write as it is. Again we will apply the powers law here. Let me write minus 8 as it is. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay. Now here it is the division sign, let me convert to the multiplication sign. So when I'll convert, it will become minus 1 by 8 raised to the power 12, right? Now see here, before that what we can do? Okay, before this I'll do one more step here. 64 raised to the power 6, and division sign let be as it is. Here the power is even number, right? So when it is even, the answer we will get, that is positive, okay. That we have discussed in already theory part. So here I can write 8 raised to the power 12 only. Now I'll convert this division side to multiplication. When I'll convert, it will become 1 by 8 raised to the power 12. Okay. Now see here, we can write 64 6 times, and here I can write 8 12 times, and I can do the cancellation. Or what we can do, we can write 64 we can write 64 as 2 raised to the power 6, and on that raised to the power this 6. See, when I'll multiply 2 6 times I'll get 64, okay. That only 64 I have written in the form of base plus power. Now into 1 by 8 also, how can I write? 8 raised to the power 3, and its power already is there, no, that is 12. Now see here 2 6 6 are 36. Now into here 12 3s are 36, 1 by 36. Now what we can do? Both get cancels, what left answer? We got the answer, that is 1. So either we can do like this, it will take it is kind of shortcut, or what we can do, we have to write 64 6 times, 6 times, and this 8 we have to write 12 times, then we have to do cancellation, then minus it will get cancels, then final answer we will still get plus 1 only, okay. Now we have question number 3 from the third main, and this is the last question, okay. See here the power is in the negative form, no. Let's do the reciprocal of that. So I'll get powers with the positive sign. So now 2 raised to the power 3 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power 4. Now put a bracket for this as it is. Now here 1 by 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 by 2 raised to the power 4, okay. Now see here, if further 2 raised to the power 3 means we have to multiply 2 3 times. So after multiplying I'll get 8. Similarly this side I'll get 16, put a bracket, and see here 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16, okay. Now see here, to further simplify what we need to do, here it is the negative sign, here it is the positive sign. So whenever we having the negative and positive signs, denominator if it is different, what we will do, we will take the LCM, okay. For 8 and 16, see 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, we left with only 2, 2 1s are 2 1s, okay. Now see here, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So it's LCM we found that is 16 for both. Okay, now see 8 how much is 16? 8 to the 16. 16 how much is the 16? 1s obviously. 8 to the 16, 61 the 16. Now 1 into 2 I'll get 2 minus 1 into 1 1. Put it a bracket. Now 2 1s are 1 and plus 1 for that. Now 2 minus 1 I'll get 1 by 16. Now we can remove the bracket. Now here it is the multiplication, nothing it is there means multiplication. 2 plus 1 is 3 by 16. Okay, now we will multiply numerator, that is 3 into 1 3 and 16 16 I'll get 256. Okay, now let's start with the fourth main. In that first question is minus 5 raised to the power 0. See, we know that any number if it is having power is 0, the answer we will get that is 1 only. Okay, and remember one thing here, this power is applicable for together like minus 5, and what if it is minus 5 raised to the power 0? So that time we would have get it as minus 1, but here this minus and 5 which is together its power is 0, so then we will get answer plus 1. But if minus, if it is outside, if you are having only numbers raised to the power 0, then we would have get answer as a minus 1. Okay, this is just extra information. Now in the second question, see, this value comes 1 1 and 1, and after addition I'll get 3. Now in the third question, see here, this answer obviously I'll get 1 only. Why? Okay, or what we can do, we can just add 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 14 14 raised to the power 0, answer still it is 1 only. Okay, now look at the next question. See here, 4 let me write as it is into x raised to the power 0. What is that answer? 1. So 4 into 1 is, that is 4. Okay, next question. See, now 4 and x together it is having the power 0, so answer will be 1. Okay, now in the next question, see, we have to apply a Power's law. 3 zeros is 0, 0 5 is 0, so it means we will get that is 10 raised to the power 0, and its answer will be 1. Okay, next. So in the next question, see here, 7 into x raised to the power 0. So x 7 let me write as it is, and this value I'll get into 1 raised to the power 2. 7 into 1 7, and when I'll multiply 2 times I'll get 49. Okay. Now last question from the fourth main. See, this 9 raised to the power 0, I'll get 1 plus, here it is the negative power, so we have to do reciprocal. After reciprocal I'll get 1 by 9 minus, and this 1 by 9 raised to the power 2. Now here it is the in the form of fraction we are having, so we need to cancel the denominators, right? So 9 I can write 3 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. Similarly this side minus this minus, and 9 raised to the 3 raised to the power, let me write 2 into minus 1 by 2. Now see here, for the 1 plus 1 by 9 minus, here 9 9 is 81 plus this 2 get cancels, what left? Only 3, and its power is 1. Okay, nothing it is there, let me place 1 here and 1 here, I'll tell you why. Now minus, now this 2 get cancels, and what left? 3 raised to the power minus 1, and this we need to do reciprocal. So after reciprocal I'll get 1 by 3 raised to the power plus 1. So I have placed 1 here. See here, in between the numbers we are having plus and negative sign, so we have to take the LCM. We have to take the LCM of 9 81 and 3. 9 81 and 3. Now let's start with the 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 27 is a 81, and 3 1 is a 3. Now 3 1 is a 3 9 is a 27, 1 as it is. Further 3 3 is a 9, 1 1 1 1. Now 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 3 is a 81. Hence we found the LCM for all these denominators, that is 81. Now see here, 1 how much is the 81? 1 81 is a 81. Now 9 how much is the 81? 9 9 is a 81. 81 1 is a 81. Now 1 81 is a 81. 3 27 is a 81. Okay, now see here further, 1 into 81, that I'll get 81 plus sign, and 1 into 9, that is 9, minus 1 into 1 1 plus 81 3 is a, I'll get 243 minus 27 into 1, that is 27. Okay, now see here, first we will do the addition. This addition I'll do, that is 81 plus 9 I'll get, that is 90, and here I'll do the addition. Okay, positive sign which is there, but one number having the negative sign, so obviously we will do the subtraction only. 243 minus 1 I'll get 242, but bigger I'm carrying the positive sign, so let me write for that. Now minus 27 by 81. Now see here, first we will do the addition. Obviously 0 plus 2 I'll get 2, 9 10 11 12 13 1 here, 2 plus 1 is 3, and this side I got, that is 332 minus 27 by 81. Now after subtraction I'll get, that is 305 by 81. Now as you can see here, it is improper, so we can write in the mixed form. For that we need to divide 305 by 81. Now 81 3s I'll get 243. Just a minute. 243. Okay, let's do the subtraction. 260. Okay, now so this I can write 362 by 81. Okay, 362 by 81. 81 3s are 243 plus 62, I'll get 305, and denominator will be same. So hence we found this answer for this question. Okay, thank you. And in the next video I'm going to start with the next main.